Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Revolut Business Account. First, what exactly is Revolut Business? Revolut started as a digital banking alternative, and over the years, it has expanded to offer business banking solutions for freelancers, startups, and larger businesses. With Revolut Business, you get access to multi-currency accounts, international payments with competitive exchange rates, corporate cards for employees, expense management tools, API integrations for automation, and more. Unlike traditional banks, Revolut is fully digital, meaning no branches, no paperwork, and everything is managed through an app or web platform. Key features and benefits. Number one, multi-currency accounts. Revolut Business supports over 25 currencies, allowing businesses to send and receive money internationally without crazy exchange fees. Number two, low-cost international payments. If you work with international clients or suppliers, Revolut offers competitive exchange rates compared to traditional banks. No hidden fees, no surprises. Number 3. Business debit cards and expense tracking. You can issue multiple cards for employees, set spending limits, and track expenses in real time. Perfect for managing team budgets. Instant transfers and payment links. Need to get paid quickly? Revolut allows businesses to send instant invoices and payment links, even if your client doesn't have Revolut. Pros and cons of Revolut Business. Alright, let's get real. No banking solution is perfect. So let's break down the pros and cons of Revolut Business. Pros: low cost international payments, much cheaper than traditional banks, fast setup, open an account in minutes without paperwork, user-friendly interface, the app is sleek and easy to use, multi-currency support ideal for global businesses, integrations and automation, saves time on financial admin tasks. Cons: no physical branches. So if you prefer face-to-face banking, this isn't for you. Limited cash deposits. Since it's a digital bank, handling cash can be tricky. Monthly fees for premium plans. While the free plan is great, advanced features cost extra. Customer support complaints. Some users report delays in getting help during peak times. Revolut Business Account plans and pricing. Revolut offers multiple plans, include Free Plan, Grow Plan, Scale Plan, and Enterprise Plan. Each tier offers different benefits like higher transaction limits, team management tools, and advanced analytics. Final verdict. So after looking at all the features, is Revolut Business worth it? If you are a freelancer or startup, Revolut Business is a fantastic option, especially the free plan. You get essential banking features without any fees. If you are a small or mid-sized business with international transactions, it's a great alternative to traditional banks, thanks to the low-cost currency exchange and automation tools. Overall, Revolut Business is an excellent choice for digital-first businesses that need a modern, low-cost, and automated banking solution. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.